Very good afternoon to all of you. Yes, students, we will start with the class. And I am audible to all. And now I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible to all? Yes, a very good afternoon to all of you. Students, do you have academic calendar of this year? So please do send to me now. WhatsApp me the academic calendar of your session, this session. Okay. And we have started with Huffman coding. We have completed all the steps. Just last step is remaining in this. So should I continue? You all are having this table with you. So now we will start in continuation with this only. So what is the next step, student? Yes, student, what is the next step? कौन बताएगा? Assigning 1 and 0, very good, to this messages. So now what I will do, I will assign. क्या लिखवाया था हमने? 1 is assigned to upper digit and 0 to the lower. फर्स्ट डिजिट को क्या आएगा? 1. फर्स्ट डिजिट 1 ही लिखवाया है और सेकेंड डिजिट के लिए एंड आई हैव टोल्ड दैट इन सम बुक्स इट्स रिवर्स ऑल्सो, assigning top digit as 0 and lower as 1. ठीक है, so it is also there. So you have to choose one of them and then you have to start doing that. So how we will start, student? पहला डिजिट क्या है मेरा? 0.57. So now what I will do, I will assign this 0.57 as 1. I will assign 0.57 as 1. So now I'm starting finalizing the table. So here what I will do, these are my code states. What happened? This is my code. Okay, so this is my code state. So here code 1 and 0 will be assigned. Okay, students, I will use a different color pen so that it will be easier for you to identify the things. So 1 and 0. 1 is assigned to 0.57. Okay, 1 is assigned to 0.57. Now how I will move back and I will assign new codes to new messages. Okay, so 1 is assigned to 0.57. तो अब सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगी, मैंने 1 कहाँ से फाइंड किया है? 1 came from addition of 0.30 and 0.27. So what I will do, I will write the LHS digit as 11 for both. Clear, student? 11 for both. Upper digit 0, other lower digit 0.43 में 0 आएगा, ये यहाँ से आया. We are moving back. Okay, now we are moving back. This 0.43 is assigned as 0 code and this is same 0.43. So I have put 0. Now this 1 came from 0.57. ठीक है, at last reduction state I assigned 0.57 as 1. 0.57 is addition of 2 digits, so I have placed 1 to both. Now I will put 1 and 0. So I generated next message code as 11 and 10. ठीक है, now moving back, again moving back, what I will get, this 0.43 came from 0.25 and 0.18. So what I will do, I will put 0 and 0 over here. ठीक है students, I will put 0 and 0 over here. Okay, then what I will do, this I will check for these two probabilities, 0.30 and 0.27. From where they came, they are here, 0.30 and 0.27. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगी, I will put this value as it is. 0.30 की वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पुट करूंगी, that is 1 1. 0.27 value will be substituted over here, that is 1 0. ठीक है, now these two probabilities I have to finalize the values, so again I will mark 1 and 0. So I generated next code. ठीक है, now again moving back, this 0.27 came from addition of this digit, so what I will do, I will put 1 0 code over here as it is. Now I will see for 0.3 code is this only, so moving back I will get 1 1. अब मेरे पास कौन कौन से कोड है, 0.25 and 0.18. 0.25 moving back I am getting 0 1. 0.18 moving back I got code as 0 0. So this is my next code. ठीक है, अभी मेरे ये दोनों कोड सेम है, ऑल द कोड शुड बी डिफरेंट, दे शुड बी यूनिक. ठीक है, वी शुड डिजाइन द कोड सच दैट वी कैन नॉट टेक आउट वन कोड फ्रॉम द अदर कोड. ओके, सो 1 0, अब यहाँ पे मैं क्या असाइन करूंगी, 1 to the upper digit and 0 to the lower digit. So I generated code for 0.15 and 0.12, whose total was 0.27, which is shown in the next second stage. Now again moving back, I will generate the overall code for the system. So overall code क्या है मेरा, 0.18 का addition किससे आया है, it came from 0.10 and 0.08. 0.18 is 0 0 0 0. Okay, assigning 1 to upper digit and 0 to lower digit. So I generated code for these last two probabilities also. Now again moving back, I will get 1 1, 0.25 moving back, 0 1, 0.18, sorry, this is my 0.15. 0.15 का कोड है 101. ओके स्टूडेंट, 0.12 का कोड है 100. So I generated the whole code for my message. ठीक है, this is my final code. This is my final code. Now I can find number of message bits, number of message bits of each code. So first code requires only 2 bit, second 2, third is 3, again 3, again 3 and 3. ठीक है, it requires lesser number of message bits, you can see here. ठीक है, we have seen the Shannon-Fano code also. There we require 2 bits, 3 bits and 4 bits maximum. Yes, student, wait. Okay. Yes, admitted. So any doubt you want to ask? You have drawn this table in your copy. सबका हो गया complete? Okay. So find out its entropy, efficiency, then we will simplify other numerical. So should I move to next slide? Is it completed by all students? Please students confirm me so that I can move this slide. Okay, so please all of you find out the efficiency. Do it fast now. Yes, so what is the value of efficiency? आ गई सबकी values? What is the value of efficiency? Efficiency is Hx by L. L minimum you have to find, and length, average length of the code you have to find. Okay, and please tell me the efficiency. And now students, next what you have to do? See, Hx value is changed. Yes, students, Hx value is changed. Students, can we take a half-hour lab session after this? And Aditi, you downloaded the Multisim software? From where you got, beta? So please, all other students, I must appreciate Aditi's hard work. All other students should also take the reference and start performing all the experiments. It's really very easy to implement and to simulate the experiments on Multisim. Okay, 98.5. Okay, others, प्रतिभा का आंसर आ गया है. Hx तो सेम ही था because we have simplified the same numerical by using Shannon-Fano code. So Hx value is just same. But those who are attending for the first time this class, they should calculate the value of hx. It's coming out to be 2.418. सभी की यही वैल्यूज आ रही है क्या स्टूडेंट्स? प्लीज चेक. $98.8. तो चारू, व्हाट इज योर एल? और h क्या आ रहा है? L is 2.45. Okay, that's same. So I think hm value is different for you. hm कितना आ रहा है? hm is equal to 2.418. ठीक है. और चारू की वैल्यू आ रही है 2.422. ठीक है. एनी अदर? तो एफिशिएंसी इज कमिंग अराउंड टू बी 98% से अबव आ रही है. 98.5 से ऊपर आ रही है एफिशिएंसी. ठीक है. So that's very good. We should achieve highest efficiency for the code generation. Okay, now students, you can compare both the efficiencies. You can compare both the efficiencies. By which code you are getting? So all of you finished? See, this is the efficiency for Huffman code. Maximum efficiency we are getting as 98.8%. ठीक है, for Huffman. Now students, we have performed Shannon-Fano code also. So for that, what efficiency we got? Please check your answers. Ritika 98.3. Okay. And Aditi, what is your answer? Akshat 98.5. Okay. 97.7%. Charu. अच्छा, Shannon-Fano से. Okay. So Shannon-Fano efficiency was approximately 97.7%. So at least 1% का हमें difference मिल सकता है. ठीक है, between these two codes. Sometimes in exam they can ask you to compare both the codes and comment on the coding technique. ठीक है students, why we are doing such entropy codings? And this Huffman coding performs, or it has a unique property of coding that is known as, I will write it over here, uniquely, we will see next unit, uniquely decodable codes. Why it is known as uniquely decodable code? Because whenever we are transmitting the code, see example we can take like M1, M5, M2, M1, M4, messages are transmitted through my DMS. This is my discrete memoryless source. ठीक है, input messages M, which are transmitted through using source coding through channel. ठीक है, I am transmitting the messages in sequence like this. ठीक है, so I have did my coding using Shannon-Fano and Huffman. Both codings I have done. Right now I am considering that by Huffman coding, how the messages will be transmitted. Channel के through message कैसे transmit होगा? Channel के through message transmit होगा like this. What is my M1? M1 code is having 1 1. ठीक है. Then M5 की value is 0 0 1. ठीक है. Then I am transmitting M2. Here you can see the sequence M2 की वैल्यू क्या है मेरे कोड की? 0 1. Then I am transmitting M1, that is 1 1. Then I am transmitting M4. ठीक है. M4 की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 0 0. This is I'm message which I'm transmitting in digital form. So it's a digital communication system. Okay, source emits messages in this sequence which I have told here. Okay, in continuation, any message sequence, 100 of messages can be sent. Okay, so it would be encoded as this. Am I right? By using Huffman code. ठीक है, at the receiver side. Now what will happen to the receiver side? receiver side में क्या होगा? यहाँ पे एक मेरे पास होगा source, sorry, decoder will be there, not source. Okay, channel decoder will be there at the receiver side. ठीक है, so here decoding will takes place. So at the receiver side, decoder will decode the message only one way. अब तुम तुम्हारी टेबल में चेक कर सकते हो कि ये जो मैसेज मैंने सेंड किया है ये रिसीवर कैसे डिकोड करेगा. यू कैन सी वन वन. फर्स्ट इट विल चेक फर्स्ट बिट. आई विल यूज अ डिफरेंट कलर पेन ओवर हियर. फर्स्ट इट विल यूज वन. ठीक है ना, पहले वन रिसीव करेगा. इट विल चेक whether any of the code is there with probability with message code 1. it will check the message. है क्या कोई कोड टेबल में वन जिसका कोड हो, ऐसी कोई मैसेज है? यू कैन चेक इट इन योर टेबल. इज इट देयर? यस और नो स्टूडेंट? एनी कोड विथ वन? नो. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या होगा? डिकोडर विल चेक द सेकेंड बिट. it will check the second bit. 1 1 again it will check. Very fast it works. Okay, it works very fast. 1 1 1 1 it will check. It's 0.3. that is message m1 या x1 जो भी तुमने लिखा है. ठीक है, m1. again it will check for the next bit 1 1 0. ठीक है, it will check for the table whether it is of 3-bit code word or it's of 2-bit or it's of 4-bit. it will check continuously. So 110. So 110 is any of the code for any of the message. You can check the table. ऐसा कोई मैसेज है जिसका कोड है 110? yes students? no. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ? मेरा पहला मैसेज डिकोड हुआ है, दैट इज m1 ड्यू टू दिस. So m1 is decoded. Now moving next, receiver will receive 0. It will check 0 किसी का कोड वर्ड है नहीं है. It will move ahead. Again it will check 0. 2 zeros are the code word. No. Again it will check 1. 0 0 1 किसी का कोड वर्ड है क्या? Yes students. Yes, it is for the message m5. इट इज फॉर द मैसेज m5. ठीक है, तो m5 भी रिसीव हो गया. अगेन इट विल चेक 0 0 1 0. इज इट एनी ऑफ द मैसेज? ऐसा कोई कोड वर्ड डिफाइन हुआ है? नो, बिकॉज हियर द लेंथ ऑफ द कोड वर्ड मैक्सिमम लेंथ इज 3. इससे हाईएस्ट लेंथ का तो कोई मैसेज ही नहीं है हमारे पास. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इट विल चेक 0 1. 0 1 is the code for M2. So likewise, it will make the combinations and receiver will come to know the message, original message sequence. If code design is of efficiency, very high efficiency, then there will be no loss or very negligible loss can occur in transmitting and receiving the signal. Okay, negligible loss. ठीक है students? So this type of code is known as uniquely decodable code. There are many basic classifications of code that we will study in the next unit. ठीक है, how to identify the codes. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, student, any doubt? Okay, so you can simplify next example by your own. ठीक है, कर सकते हो simplify. तो I will give you one question. Please write down. Please write down. A message source emits a message source emits a message source generates eight message symbols from M1, M2 to M8 with probabilities write down P of M1 0.25, P of M2 0.03. See students, next 0.19, P of M4 0.16, next 0.11, next 0.14, next 0.08, and the last is 0.04. You can total these probabilities whether it is right or not. 0.04, 0.08, 0.14, 0.11, 0.16, 0.19, 0.03, and 0.25. Okay, so these are the probabilities given to you respectively. Construct both Shannon-Fano and Huffman code for these symbols. Calculate the entropy of the source and efficiency and compare both the results. Okay, students, so first please apply Huffman code. So in next class, we will start with next topic. So have you started simplifying Huffman code? Yes, do it. Yes, students, any doubt? Okay, so codes are generated. I can show you the book also till that time. You complete your numerical. Put your answers in the chat box. Please, you can ask your doubts. You can share. Yes, students, किसी को डाउट कुछ नहीं आ रहा हो किसी स्टेप में तो यू कैन आस्क. Highest probability 0.25, 0.19, 0.16, 0.14, then it's 0.08. This I have written this 0.16, 0.14, then it's 0.11. It's 0.11, then it's 0.08, 0.11, then 0.14. It's 0.11. Here it's 0.14, then 0.08, 0.04. ठीक है? So these are the probabilities given to you. And the sequence will be M1, M3, then M4, M5, M1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is M6, then M5, ठीक है? Then M7, M8. This is a sequence of message, student, okay? So you got the answer. I'm checking the chat box. Please write your answers. Which coding you are applying? So students, complete this task at your home. In next class, we will discuss with the result. And we will continue after 5 minutes. Please, all of you join for half an hour. Okay, very good, very good. You got the answers very fast. So what is the highest length? ये बता दो Huffman code में highest length क्या आ रही है तुम्हारी? बेटा ये तुमने इसमें 00555. हाँ, that is 5. Okay, highest length is 5. That is right. And minimum is 2. अपर बिट को 0 असाइन 1 असाइन किया और लोअर बिट को 0, है ना? ठीक है. और किसी ने 0 1 भी किया हो तो देयर इज नो इशू इन दैट. ओके, ठीक है. सो परफेक्ट. Do both the codings. I think there is no doubt in this topic, Shannon Huffman code. From next class, we will start with new topics for ITC. Okay, and we are continuing with the lab session. So goodbye, students. In next class, you have to answer both the numericals. Complete your numericals.